Their powerful legs help them escape predators.
In the quiet forests, a gentle animal moves with silent grace.
The deer, calm, alert, and always aware of danger.
Their large ears catch even the smallest sounds.
Deer live in forests, grasslands, and open fields.
Their eyes scan constantly for hidden threats. They feed on grass, leaves, and tender plants. Predators like wolves and big cats are always watching.
At the first sign of danger, deer react instantly.
They run with incredible speed and agility.
Their powerful legs help them escape predators.
Camouflage helps them blend into their surroundings.
Young fawns rely on stillness to stay safe.
Mothers stay close, watching over their young. Every day is a balance between peace and danger.
Only the alert and swift survive in the wild.
Nature has shaped them into silent survivors.
Graceful, watchful, and always ready to run.
The deer, a quiet master of survival in the wild.